welcome back to my channel. As you know, as always, as usual, anytime I see any update that will benefit you guys, first thing that comes to my mind is to put it on the channel for you all to participate. So for those who have been following me up on Evmos chain, on Evmos stake, I know a lot of, I'm definitely certain, irrespective of when you started, you should be smiling by now, because you can see how Evmos went so parabolic from 1.7 to around 2.9 yesterday, but currently is actually running around 2 points. Okay, let me show you. Evmos token. So just search Evmos token, coin market cap, that will see the value. So you can see it's currently 2.63. It's dropping back, so I don't really care if it drops or not. I'm still on Evmos. I'm not in for trading it. I'm in for is taking rewards and a lot of airdrops that come a lot with along with it. So that's why I'm not really bothered much about the price. The fact that it doesn't even go down with Bitcoin is what interests me most. So here, let me show you something for those of you who are already on Evmos stakes. Where for those of you that stake Evmos, let me show you one beautiful update. So this is the beautiful update I have for you guys. I said the following stakes with our validator will be the requirement for G key Airdrop. So their validator is Gelotto. So here you can see for you to qualify, you need 100 osmosis. If you are using osmosis network, for Evmos stakers, you need 69 Evmos. For Juno, you need 50, and for stars, you need 1000 stars. So what does this mean? This means that you need to take notes. Notes, check what they said here. They said, don't be left out. Snapshot is coming. Validator name is Gelotto. So that means having just 69 Evmos, 100 osmosis, 50 Juno, or 1000 stars alone is not enough. So you actually need you need to stake on their validator. How do we stake on their validator? I'll show you how to do that. But for now, you need to stake on their validator for you to be part of this. So now, what is the reward? They didn't really mention the amount they'll be given, because there are some questions in the comment section whereby some people asked, though they didn't mention, but they made it clear that in the reward pool they have 300 head. This is it. This is what I'm looking for. Here, they said they have 300 G key allocated to LP, and 300 to GLTO holders, and 300 to delegators. So now, and what is the value of each G key? The 300 might be for the whole of the delegators. It will even be for the whole of the delegators. That's the 300 that is assigned to delegator. But what's the value of each G key? The value of each G key, as you can see, just 0.1 G key is worth 378.6801 osmosis, which is equivalent of $477. That's if you are getting just 0.1. So imagine you have they share just 0.1 for each delegator. So that means you're earning 477, even though we don't know the amount yet. But for you to know the amount, just take on their validator so that you can qualify for their airdrop, irrespective of the amount. So no matter the amount they give, at least you are getting it for free. So that's exactly what I'll be doing right now. Let me show you how to go. For those who don't have idea how to go about starting all the processes, I'll show you how to go about that. But for now, for we that are already on the stakes, you can go. Let me show you how to go about it. Let me go to here. Let's go to the extension. So that's the extension right here. I can show you this. Evmos. So you can see here. This is the Evmos chain. This is how the extension looks like. But sometimes the extension do misbehave. So I use the nodes I trust most when it comes to staking. I use this because it's faster for me, and app dot yeah, this is it, app.evmos.org/staking. And if I want to claim, most time I use this, but recently it has some issues. It has been somehow. So but still I think, but today it has been fair. It's okay. So you can see I have Gata, I have Gata here and I have Gelotto already. I don't the moment I saw the news, I was so happy to see it. I went and moved. You can see I have 104.65 and I have 90. I have 104 on Gata. So now I will be redelegating some of these Gata because all you need, we don't know when they are taking a snapshot on Gata. But all the minimum, all that is required, you just need 50 Evmos for you to qualify for Gata. So that's all you need. So what I'll do is I'll just leave just 50 on Gata or 50 plus. So what I'll do now is I'll just take out 50. I'll move more 50 more to I'll move 50 more to 50 more to Gelotto. I'm redelegating. Please just watch. You can see manage, then you click on redelegate. If you are delegating, it means maybe it is Evmos you have. It's not as if you are moving from one validator to another. But when you are moving from one validator to another, I'm moving from Gata to Gelotto. But I want to restake my reward, I'll use delegate. But if I'm redelegating from one validator to another, then you use redelegate. So that's what I'm supposed to do now. 50. So I'm moving it to Gelotto. You can see this is Gelotto slash protected. So I'm moving 50 there, redelegate. As you can see, gas fee for Evmos is always very cheap. You can see it's $0.04. That's 0.0175 Evmos. And you click approve. You can see it's successful. It's so fast today. At this around this time yesterday or a day before yesterday, you cannot even do all this. The node was down. You can't use it at all. So now it will move from Gata now to Gelotto, as you can see. So as you can see now, um I now have okay, let me just refresh the page. It's here to it's here to activate or show on it. It's supposed to be on Gelotto should be at the top now since I moved most of my assets to Gelotto. Let me just do this. So you can see that the 140 is now on Gelotto, while 54.65 is on Gata DAO validation. So as you can see now, I have more of my assets on Gelotto. That's just how to move. That's just how to redelegate. And if you want to claim, you already know that. If you don't know how to do that, I'll drop the video description. In the video description, I'll drop the link on how to use to start every process from buying Atom from Binance to moving it to Osmosis network to converting it to Evmos and to moving it to Evmos chain. I have a video on that which I will drop the link in the video description section for those who don't have idea how to go about that, or those who are watching this video for the first time. So I'll do that. Please don't miss this type of airdrop. Please just try as much as you can to participate in this thing so that we can all benefit together. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to also like and share the video with your friends and family. There might be others out there who need this video. They might be on Evmos chain, but they don't know about this validator, which is offering very, very good amount of airdrop. So you can just share with them, guys. Don't be stingy with your updates. So thank you very much for watching. See you later. I have more and more updates in stock to come. Don't forget to turn on that notification so that you can always receive my video immediately they drop. So please don't procrastinate on this video or on this particular airdrop because they will be taking snapshots soon. If you check the tweets, sorry, I just remember. So as you can see here, they said I want because they are actually their validator just got active recently. It has been inactive for a very long time. I have a friend who even risk staking on the platform even while it was inactive. Oh, I saw a place where they actually mention when they will be making the snapshot. You see, they said distributed slowly over time. So it's something they'll be taking their snapshots. I can't remember where I saw that, but they said their snapshots will be made monthly. It will be a monthly snapshot. So you can just keep it for as long as you can. So just try and keep it as long as you can. Oh, I wish I can see that tweet, but I've shown you guys. But the thing is, they just made it clear that they will be taking it every month till they'll be able to share all the airdrops they have in stock to share. So what I'll do now is, this is what I do when I have projects I invest my money on. So once I open this kind of project, I turn on notification. For you to always follow my updates on Twitter as well, you can follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter handle. This is my Twitter handle, this official IB. You can follow me on Twitter. Once you follow, I'll follow back immediately. I'll also drop the my handle in the video description section to make it easier for you to locate. So thank you very much, guys. See you guys later. Bye.